Let me show you a quick example how that large meeting room with your G62 looks like. So you get a little bit of an impression how that all works. So first off, what is important? You implement the G62. Now be aware, if you're gonna do a demonstration or something and you need only one mic, that there's no power supplied on the LLN port. Be aware. So it doesn't supply power to your mic. It could be that you're going maybe to some event or a quick demonstration. Be aware that you need an injector on this LLN cable. This is very important for your microphone. On the corporate LAN, make sure that you got PoE plus, or again use that injector. So you gotta make sure that you have those devices available. Now, by knowing that from the basis, what you can do is now you can build your environment. So you attach the Netgear Pro AV switch, so you connect the LLN port to that Pro AV switch, and now you can start building your modular meeting room. For example, we'll start connecting the E70 on the LLN port of the Netgear switch. We start connecting the mic 1 and mic 3 here on the Netgear switch, or maybe you got ceiling mics. It's also a possibility. Now we connect the TC10, which will be connected to your corporate LAN, of course, because the TC10, whether it's in Teams or in Zoom, it needs to connect up to those environments. So it's got to be on the corporate LAN and be able to pair with the G62. So make sure that these guys are in the same network or the same VDAC. And lastly, we got the E360, which is also part of the local LAN network. So you also hook that up in that network switch. Now as a final, because we got now multiple microphones, we got multiple cameras in the room, you still need your speaker. So you could use the 3.5mm output of the G62 and connect that to the soundbar in front of the room, or connect it to an amplifier and use it with speakers in the seating, and you can just build out your modular reading room any way you want to. And you will be able to do all the features and functions which you know from Studio X family, like noise block AI or polyperimeter AI, by blocking certain areas for your camera view and tracking. You got all those AI features available, and it all can be managed by Poly Lens. So I think a really powerful one with the G62 to start building your modular room. If you currently have a G7500 and you want to grow to this modular room and you want to integrate the E360 at your table, you can just swap over your G7500 with the G62. But as long as you don't have HDCI cameras, if you don't use the serial port for programming, which are only part of the G7500, you don't have these, you could start building this out with the G62. I think a really, really powerful story here.